Good morning, Kai. Please unmute yourself once you're ready, Kai.
Yes.
Where is Rick, Kai? Where is your brother? Is he still sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay. How are you feeling, Kai? Are you okay?
Yes.
That's good to know. So, just make yourself comfortable. Where are you? Where will you go today, Kai? Where will you go today? Are you going somewhere today?
Hôm nay bạn có đi đâu không?
Are you going somewhere today, Kai, or no? Oh no. Okay. So now, Kai, we'll have a reading activity. So I want you to read who's in the tree. Now, can you tell me what are these, Kai? Can you see
These are
it? Yes, very good.
butterfly.
Yes, that is right. Now, what about these? What are these?
They are lizards.
Yes, very good. What about this, Kai?
These are birds.
Very good. What about this purple ones?
These are cats.
Very good. Now, what about the yellow ones? What are they?
These are dogs.
Very good. Do you have a pet, Kai? Do you have a dog?
No,
Oh no. Do you have a pet? Or do you want to have a pet, Kai? Do you want to have a dog?
no.
Oh no, too. I see, and that is fine. Now let me zoom it in and I want you to read it. Can you read it, Kai?
Yes. Out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 6 red butterflies. Can you see? Up, out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 5 green lizards. Can you see? Out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 4 brown birds. Can you see? Out in the garden, up in the tree, there are 3 purple cats. Can you see? Out in the garden, up in the tree, there There are 2 yellow doves. Can you see? Now there's a problem. Look at the tree. There are 20 animals. Can you see?
Very good, Kai. Well, read. Thank you so much for that. And now, Kai, can you tell me what blue things do you have in your Oh, red one first. What red things do you have in your house? Like for example, right?
Chairs.
You're wearing a red t-shirt now. What
Yeah.
else is red in your house, Guy?
My chair.
Oh, your chair is red. Wow, that's nice. What green thing do you have in your house? What is that?
Blanket.
Oh, your blanket. I see. Now, what brown things do you have? What brown thing do you have at home, Guy?
A table.
Oh, a brown table. What about purple, Guy? What purple thing do you have?
Nothing.
Oh, nothing. And that is okay, Kai. What about yellow thing you've got?
A fan.
Oh, a yellow fan. Thank you so much for that, Kai. Now let us have this one. Roses are red. Do you have flowers in your house, Kai?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. What is the name of that flower? What kind of flower is that? Do you know?
Rose.
Oh, a
Rose.
rose. What color is your rose, Sky? Is it red, yellow, white? What color is it?
Red.
Oh, it's red too. Wow, what a coincidence, Sky. Now let us have another reading activity. Can you read this one? Can you read it?
Rose. Rose are red. Spider are black. Don't look now, but there's one on your back.
See, there's one on his back. Are you scared of spiders, Sky?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Do you have spiders at home?
Yes.
Oh, no. Why are you scared of spiders? They are so small. Why are you scared of spiders, Sky? You don't know why? Okay. Well, some people really find them scary. Now, next one we have here. I like colors. Do you like colors, Sky?
Yes.
What is your favorite color again?
My favorite color is red.
Oh, that is why you are wearing red now. Okay, and you have a red chair too. Is your what other things are blue are red um in your room, Guy? Because you told me that your favorite color is red. So you have a red t-shirt, a red chair. What else? Red notebooks?
Mhm. A red hat.
Oh, you have a red hat. Okay. Very nice, Kai. By the way, what's the weather like in your place today, Kai? Is it sunny, windy, or rainy?
Windy.
Oh, it's windy. Did it rain yesterday?
Yes.
Oh no. Do you like it when it rains? Do you like rainy weather, Kai?
No.
Oh no, you
Yes.
do. Oh yes, you do. Have you tried taking a bath in the rain?
No.
Oh no. But you like it if it rains. I see. Now, let us read this one, Kai. I like colors.
Like blue. The sky where birds fly high. I like yellow. I like the sun. When we have fun, I like green. I like frogs as still as logs. I like black. I like dark when fox bark.
Okay, when foxes bark. Well, read, Kai. I can see that you are really good at reading. Okay, can you tell me, Kai, what is it, this brown thing?
It's a log.
Okay, very good. I see. Thank you so much for that. Now, since we're done with that one, Guy, let us have this one. What do you like about the poems, Guy? So I want you to take a happy face if you like it. Just this one, Kai, if it's okay for you, and a sad face if you don't like it. Now, do you like the red butterflies? Oh, I think you don't like the black spider because you told me you're scared of it. So, is it going to be just okay or no? Do you like the black? Oh, no. Okay, so we're going to put it in here, Kai. Okay, so you don't. What about the green frogs? Do you like the green frogs?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. I see. I thought you were scared of them too. Oh, why is it a cross? Okay, guys, so it is a tick, just like one and two. Okay, let me tick it for you. Okay. Now, can you tell me, Kai, what hello, Rick. Good morning, Rick. Welcome to our class. Okay, now can you tell me, Kai, what's your favorite part of the poem? Like, for example, the purple cats, because purple is my favorite color. What about you? What do you like about the poem? What do you like?
Like
You like? Maybe the
red.
butterfly. Oh, you like red because it is your favorite color too. Okay, and you have red roses at home. I see. Thank you so much for that, Kai. Now, next one in here. All you have to do, Kai, and yes, you can participate in this, Rick. So you have to match the colors to the things in the poems. Like, for example, a purple cat. Now, what about red? Is it a red sun, a red bird, a red frog, or red Roses. What do you think is the answer? Okay, Rick is answering it now. Okay, very good, guy. That one is red. Now, what thing is red? Is it the sun, cat, bird, frog, or the roses are red? Okay, very good, guy. Very good, Rick. That is correct. Now, next one. What about green? We have a green. What's green? Okay, it's yes, very good, Rick. A green frog. Okay, thank you so much, Kai. Next one. What about brown? Okay, yes, very good. Oh, okay, brown and yellow. Okay, brown bird, very good. Okay, and a yellow sun. Okay, well done, Kai. And well done as well to you, Rick. I wasn't, I didn't think that you'd be able to answer it knowing that you weren't able to read the poem with us. Okay, so now let us go back to the poem now. Thank you so much for that, Kai and Rick. Now, I want you to find words in the poem that ends with the same sound. Okay, can you find words in the poem that ends with the same sound? Like, for
Yes.
example, okay, can you tell me, Rick, what words can you see that has the same sound?
I can't see now.
Oh, you can see it. Okay, let us start with this one. I like. Mhm. Okay. Yeah, you can start with I like colors. Okay, can you tell me what words can you see that have the same sound? Words
Green,
that,
yellow,
okay, green and yellow. When we say green, it ends with E, but yellow star ends with O and W. They don't have the same sound. Okay, like for example, sun and fun. Both of them ends with U and N, which is un. Okay, fun, sun. They have the same sound, right? Now, what else do we have here?
dark,
Okay. And
dark, dark.
okay, logs and frogs. Okay, very good. See, we have here frogs. Okay. What else?
Dark, dark.
Very good. Okay, dark bark. Well done for that. Accurate answer. Okay, thank you so much. Now, let us. Yes. Well done. Thank you for that, guy. Thank you, Rick. Now, what do you think? Do the authors of the poem like colors?
Yes.
Yes, they do. Now, aside from that, they like colors. What else do they like? What else do they like?
There's a cat.
Okay, they like
Cat.
animals. Yes, they like animals and
Spider.
yes. Okay, so we have here spiders. They like animals, right? Like spiders. We have butterflies, lizards, birds, cats, dogs, as well as beautiful. flowers. Okay, so the authors love animals, colors, and flowers. Okay, there you have it. Now, next one, let us have this. Oh, we have here a listening activity. So let us sing this one.
Page 33. Grammar in use. See, listen, and sing along. In my yard.
There's a black rabbit in my yard today. One little rabbit, he wants to play. Here's another rabbit, say hello. There are two black rabbits in my yard today. There's a white kitten in my yard today. One little kitten, she wants to play. Here's another kitten, say hello. There are two white kittens in my yard today.
Okay, that ends the singing activity. Now, if you can see, we have here the usage of there is and there are. Now, when do we use there is, Sky? When do we use there is, Rick? There is.
What?
When do we use there is?
There is
If?
rabbit.
Okay, so we will use there is if we're just talking about one thing. Okay, just one. Like, for example, there is a black spider. The black spider, it's only one. That is why we'll use there is. However, if we have two or more, then we will use there are. Like, for example, there are green frogs. Okay, so frogs here, it means we have two or more of them. Okay, now I hope you'd be able to remember that, Kai and Rick. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class today. So next meeting, Teacher Mary will continue the rest. Thank you so much, Kai. Thank you, Rick. Okay, goodbye, Kai. Goodbye, Rick.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.